A list comprehension is a one-line for loop that builds a list. Same algorithm, fewer characters, faster too. 5 patterns coming up, a speed comparison, and the one case where a regular for loop is still the right call. The shape, square brackets. An expression, the word for, and iterable, optional if at the end. 5 real patterns. Map, filter, map plus filter, flatten with nested fors, and dict or set, same syntax, curly braces. Then the speed angle, comprehension, is about twice as fast as for+append, and the rule for when a for loop is still better. Let's walk 5 list comprehension patterns, plus the case where a for loop is still better. Open nvim. Save as list_comp.py. 1 import. Time for the speed comparison. Pattern 1. Map. Transform every element. Square brackets, x times x, for x in nums. The for+append equivalent is 4 lines. Pattern 2. Filter. Keep elements matching a condition. The if clause goes at the end. The expression on the left is just x, because we're keeping the value, not transforming it. Pattern 3. Map and filter combined. Same shape, both clauses in one expression. The if filters first, then the expression transforms what survives. Pattern 4. Flatten. Multiple for clauses read left to right like nested for loops. Outer first, inner second. Get this backwards, and you get a name error. Pattern 5. Dict and set comprehensions. Curly braces instead of square. With a colon, you get a dict. Without one, you get a set. Speed comparison. Same job, 100K items, 2 ways. For+append takes about 4 milliseconds. The comprehension takes about 2. Same complexity, half the constant factor. And the case where a for loop is still better, multi-step body, side effects like logging, break, or continue. Don't cram those into a comprehension. Use the for loop. Save and run. Squares. Every value transformed. Evens. Only those matching the filter. _squares applied both clauses. Flat collapsed the matrix into one list. Lengths paired each word with its length. Unique underscore mods reduced 100 values to 3 remainders. And the speed. For+append at 3.5 milliseconds. The comprehension at 2. Almost twice as fast on 100K items. Same algorithm, less Python overhead. Three things to take away. First, a list comprehension is a one-line for loop that builds a list. Same algorithm, less code. And on 100K items, It's about twice as fast as for+append. Second, the 5 patterns: map, filter, map plus filter, flatten with nested fors, and dict or set comprehensions. Memorize the shape. You'll see it everywhere in modern Python. Third, when the body needs more than one expression, switch to a regular for loop. Side effects: break, continue, multi-step logic. Don't cram those into a comprehension. Like, subscribe, comment, and share if this helped. Subscribe to the playlist for more Python answers.